here in Hong Kong is a good location, and the venue here in Asia World Expo is also good, and timing as well. The name of the show is Seasons, and it's in time for the seasons. So right now it's March. We're displaying our winter collection.
通过这次展会，结识了一些新的客户，也巩固了我们之前的一些老客户。
呢次參展咧其實係幾好嘅。雖然呢一次展咧係好似係，我覺得更加多係專業嘅人會過嚟。咁佢哋過嚟之後咧，佢會睇到好多啲新品，因為呢一次我哋帶咗大概係1000種唔同嘅新品過嚟。咁客戶見到好多都係新客戶，舊客戶就唔使講啦。咁呢一次新客戶對我哋嘅，佢話以為即係覺得我哋好似未參展過嘅咁嘅。其實我覺得我哋都喺度10幾年啦。咁點解佢會有咁嘅諗法咧？應該就係因為我哋成日帶新嘅嘢過嚟，所以如果我哋參展如果帶新嘅產品過嚟嘅話咧，其實客戶係會好 surprise 嘅。